Alrighty, guys.
So I'm not a bio major.
No, I'm taking all my science courses now. So I just absolutely hate it.
Yeah.
But I'll get it out of the way soon enough.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Oh, did you start it already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry, I recorded you guys the whole conversation while I'm done. No,
now
just
you
kidding.
can listen in on it because you missed out.
Alright. Total amount. Suppose that the profits on the sale of swimming suits in a department store are given approximately by P of t equals 5 minus 5 cosine of quantity n, or not n, pi times t over 26 with the range of 0 is less than or equal to t, which is less than or equal to 104, where pt is a profit in hundreds of dollars for a week of sales t weeks after January 1st. A. Find the total profit earned during the 2-year period. Okay.
Total profit earned during the 2-year period.
So I'm assuming the first one we're just putting t in.
I guess so.
And then for B, then we are putting it with the range of 13 and 26.
Mm-hmm.
P equals 5 minus 5 cosine of 104 pi.
That's right.
Oh, dang it, I have my calculator today. That's not good.
Mathematica. Find the 12. Makes sense. Are you sure that we just plug it in?
I don't know.
I thought that we have to take the integral of it first and then
Probably.
plug it in. Okay. I'm gonna try that now. 520. That's what I got. That seems like a really small number.
Oh, it is in hundreds though. Hundreds of dollars.
Okay, so okay.
Of course, that's still a small number for 2 years.
That's true.
What did you get for your first time?
The first time I got like 0.119, so I probably.
Oh, that's what I got. Yeah.
So 52,000.
Say
2-year period. 52,000. Let's see.
Well, that went better than my answer.
Oh, yeah.
Nowhere near enough for 1 day.
Oh.
Well, fail.
Okay, so then how did you start to solve it then? We should start there. And don't worry, I have a whiteboard marker.
Oh, that's sweet.
I have black, green, red. I used to have a blue one, but it's apparently gone.
Oh, awesome. So you just take the integral of it. So it's 5. The original is 5 minus 5 cosine pi times t divided by 26, and I did 5t minus 5 times 26 divided by pi sine.
Wait, say it again?
So
You're welcome to write it up on the board, by the
I
way.
don't like writing on the board. Is that weird of me?
No.
Okay, so the integral of the original function is 5t minus 5 times 26 divided by pi sine pi times t divided by 26.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I got. Okay,
There was a lot of words there. I didn't understand most of them.
So, yeah.
Okay, this makes more sense.
Mm-hmm. That's exactly what I said, but...
$52,000, and this is supposed to be for a department store?
I guess it's a very small department store.
Of like 2 or 3 items?
Yes,
Probably.
exactly. And then you just plug in 65 and 39, and then that's how you get that. 26 DT. Okay. So. $65 26 times 100, 31,000. 54 minus times 100.
You say you got 510?
I got 520. Let me see. Am I doing a typo on it? 26 divided by pi.
Well, you know what I didn't do? I didn't add the consonant onto it. But
Divided by 26. Oops. No, I got 510 this time around.
at 0.99.
Interesting. Oops.
I have no idea, honestly.
Just.
It was just very simple. Like you just have just the equation. I guess you did the rest of it on the calculator.
Yeah, I just punched it in. I was just like,
Okay.
Yeah. Did you guys do the second part yet?
find the total profit between the 13th and 26th. So just between the 13th and 26th, not on the okay. I mean, here.
Oh, dang it. Wrong one.
13. Sold.
26 and 13.
13.
So 5.
And then no. Press a graph. I'm like, don't graph it.
So 12,773 minus.
So, I don't know.
What?
I do something.
13. And
Oh, what she do is she, because this is in hundreds, that's why there's our.
Oh, these are in hundreds, so you have to multiply by 100.
Yeah. So don't be confused there.
Okay. I'm like, what the heck? I'm not even close. What you're saying?
Okay. My battery's dying. Happy day.
So like, times 100. So I got like 6,386.
That's what I got.
Okay.
On to the next. So 1 times 104 plus 26 divided by cosine. Oops, is it sine? Oh, it's sine. Oops. Sine 104
Let's see. Purposes. Blank. Who's doing that? Blank.
2, 13. 20 plus 26 pi sine 26 52 plus -52. Thirty-nine, 685 times.
Okay.
How you guys doing?
Good. I'm just ready. 4 number divided by 26. Okay.
I have no idea.
Is it 1. Did you get like 1.3 or something like that?
Well, 1.3 for which part?
First part? A? No?
A, I got
Okay.
105.8
Okay.
tons.
Okay. Let me see where. I think I just messed up where put what and what. And is the number.
Let me run out of what? Where's eraser?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, fun.
There you go.
Okay, thanks.
And is the number of weeks.
Okay. This is what we did.
This is a red one.
Alright, so we start out with the function Pn equals 1 plus cosine pi n divided by 26. So all that you do to that is just integrate it. So with this, you do 1n plus 26 pi sine of I think, yes, pi n 26. And basically,
So
you
how
just
do you get
plug it in.
the 26 pi?
I don't know. That's just one of the rules that I
Okay.
found out. I
That's
don't.
what I'm like.
It's one of the
What's
rules.
going on here?
It's just one of the rules. You just bring it up right in front. I know. I can't remember. Oh, is it? No, it's not that rule.
Is it because it's constant?
I'm assuming such. Yes.
Okay.
This is a constant because of pi, so this remains the same. Yeah. And after that, you just plug everything in. paren.
Oh.
So any
Yeah, because that's what
rows-
lost me was the 26 over pi. I was like, where the heck did you get that?
It's just one of the rules that I've memorized. I can't explain it. I'm sorry.
Okay. No worries, no worries.
Yeah. Then it's 52, and then it's 26. No, it's 13. And so for my total, I got 105.8 tons. And then for this, I got 52 minus 13.22 equals 39.685 tons. Yeah. Ta-da!
Very good.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right.
I think that's where I went wrong. I combined it all, like, the first half. So I think, yeah. Combine the sign. 26 cancel. Okay, never mind.
Okay.
All right, so on to area 1.
Great area.
Find the area between the x-axis and the y equals cosine of x on the interval 0 to pi over 2.
Okay. My theta area. Cosine x 0 pi 2. Okay, sine x, cosine x. So that's okay. So, 2 pi 0. Sine x.
Oh, shoot.
Hmm.
There's more.
So would it be the would it be
The integral.
it would be cosine minus sine derivative of x, right? Plus, let's see, plus, so it would be pi to, well, cosine. Pi cosine is so it's 0 minus sine is 1, so negative 1. That's cosine 0 is 1, it'd be 0. Nope. Cosine x minus sine plus 1 half 1 cosine x sine x is equal to so cosine of pi is 2 minus minus 2 over 2. Oh, that doesn't make any sense. Minus 0. Oh, actually, what? Cosine is plus 1 minus 0. So that's 1. One plus
1.57.
Keep going. No. sine x plus sine x. Okay. I'm just gonna start writing stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so it looks like, where did I put that awesome red pen that you... Oh, there it is. Okay, so if we look at sine and cosine, it looks like... Oh gosh, this is gonna be fun. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
So, we find this area.
What, are we looking
right
at number
here.
2 for area?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is 2 pi right here.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This right here is 4. And that's 0. So this is how I set it up. I did interval of 1/4 0 cosine x minus sine x plus does that look right?
Yeah.
I don't know, but then I try to solve for it and then I get 0 for it. I don't feel like that's right though.
This is number 1 or 2. Which one is it?
Number 2.
Number 2 in area.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
that's what I got. I'm still thinking it through.
Wouldn't the second one also be a minus as well? Does that make sense?
Why would it be a minus?
Because you're trying to find the area, which would be the top curve minus the bottom curve. And then you're adding that onto the first part.
That would make sense. Oh, actually, you know what I did? I switched it. So that is negative. That's plus.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah.
This is negative. Okay.
Yeah, so that makes sense.
Yeah.
But then we might only be looking for this guy right here, though. Does that make sense? Because I'm assuming this is like a bounding area.
Mm-hmm.
And this one doesn't have a range for it.
Okay.
Because you said you're getting 0 for that right now?
Yeah, I'm getting 0.
Yeah, that would make sense because both those are going to end up canceling each other out.
Yeah, so just solve for one of them?
Yeah.
Okay, so then...
Which then would make that a lot easier. Because... Of course, I don't have a calculator, so I can't really calculate it
Find
out.
the area between the interval, find the area between...
Because I think the interval only applies to number 1.
Okay, because I thought it applied to number 2, and that's why I was doing that. Okay.
Because then our interval would be 0 to pi over 4.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Which then I'm guessing you're getting 1?
Yeah. I feel like we're doing this wrong. I don't know. It makes a little bit of sense to me. Well, let's see.
That looks right, because we have top curve minus bottom curve.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
So that was number 2.
Number 2. Sweet.
Ooh. Number 3 is an interesting one.
Find the area between y equals secant x and y equals 2 cosine x. The area of one section between x intervals. What?
Oh, no, I'm just thinking for the picture, since I don't have a calculator, and so I don't have any way to like actually visualize it.
Mm-hmm.
But secant's the one that has the asymptotes right down at 0, right?
Yeah.
Well, tangent's the one that's at like pi, or 1 and -1, I think. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Which means that we're looking for that, with this being at pi. Which case are we doing? Section between the asymptotes.
Okay, I am going on my next study group.
That's exciting.
Oh, yeah.
So shall we do this tomorrow? Same bat time, same bat channel?
Yep. Awesome. Hopefully Conrad is here.
Yeah, that way we can talk some sense into all of us.
Yeah, it's not just the blind leading the blind.
Brilliant.
Okay, we live in that time of age where you can do this.
Alright. Which means that we're looking
Between the asymptotes, so.
Okay.
So this little area.
Alrighty, good luck.
Bye, guys. Have fun tomorrow. It's really fun.
Alright, so there between my secant and what do I call it? So I'm assuming this section right here.
This little area right here, this.
Not the little area, but the big area. I'm assuming that's
This.
above the x-axis. Yeah,
So right here,
both sides,
on both sides.
because the area between the asymptotes.
Oh, okay.
Which now we need to figure out what the asymptotes are.
Usually that's when there's like a discontinued
Yeah.
right here. Usually that's where it is.
Right.
Here.
But do we know the value for that?
Looks
Looks like
you
it's
get almost to 2, so like 1 and a
like 1.5.
ish, yeah. Let's count the squares. Something tells me it's not like a, well.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be a whole number.
No, I think it's just going to be symbolic. Find the area between the secant.
You search for asymptotes of secant, or secant asymptotes. Oh my goodness, it's already 6?
Yeah. I spell asymptotes.
That's one.
I don't know. 10.
So, secant. Where asymptotes occurs at pi over 2 and repeats every pi units.
Okay.
Oh, alright, sweet. So then for that, then what we're looking for is we'd have to have 2, one at negative pi over 2 and 0, and then one at 0 to pi over 2.
Excuse me.
Which then we'd have to find the integral of secant over 2 cosine. Is that what our picture? Is that the picture of this?
The what? The graph? You mean?
Yeah, the graph.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So that's what we have to figure out then. So we have, I think, right now. We have our secant and we subtract, whatchamacallit? I think that is what we actually want.
This what? This little area or the whole under area?
We want the whole under area.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, maybe we want the middle area. Because the area between those two things. No, that doesn't make sense. And, I'm just going to go with
the area
secant minus cosine. Or
yeah.
Cosine.
The area of one section between us and
yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm going to go with. So that means we want secant of x minus 2 cosine of x. Here's that bad boy. For the answer of that integral. Plus the same thing but at the other range. Oh man. Okay. Secant equals secant times tangent. Cosine is
a sine.
Yeah, I believe so. I was really confused on which one's negative, which one's positive.
Yeah. It's negative sign. It's
negative sign.
Oh, it is negative sign.
Yeah.
I haven't eaten
Alright.
in a while, so I'm like.
Alrighty.
Okay.
I don't have a calculator, so I can't calculate this out. But that's what it is. Should be. That's what I'm going with.
Okay. All right.
So whatever those two integrals come out to being is what it would be.
Yeah,
And
okay.
when I'm able to charge my phone, then I'll check then.
Oh, your phone's dead.
Yeah.
Oh.
My phone's dead, and I forgot my calculator at home, apparently. Wait. Well, I need to get going.
Yeah, so do I.
This has been fun. I guess we'll just
I always feel like I'm not prepared for these.
So do I.
Like, crap, like, I feel like I should know more.
I mean, today,
Like,
right? Today, like, legitimately, I am not prepared because I completely forgot that we're doing Wednesday's group.
so what are we doing tomorrow? Is it what work is that?
Fridays.